lo mlungu umtshontshela kanjani, ubuwenza njani ukugcina izinto zomuntu zingakuwena ekuthengile uyiclient kwenzeka kanjani awusilandise nje kusuka nokuhlala ukuthi benenza njani.
Even if it's this water that's lamanza lawo la front
uzokhipha information ezobulala umphakathi wena.
Serious, just 2 drops inside. It doesn't kill you, it just like makes you dizzy and you sleep like 15 minutes. I have to be fast on what I'm doing. Ngoba kodwa movuka, your mind will be confused, you won't remember fuck all. It will take you 1 hour for you to remember who you are with, what you were doing, how you ended up here. So I got clever, I used that for ukuthi nami phela ngabambe kalula. Ngoba maybe I should be dead right now if kuthiwa ngangasebenzisa into ukuthi umuntu abe dizzy and get confused.
Wenza kanjani into igcinele kuwena usithathe usibeke nje ngalo usuku langalelo la uhamba naye niyongena
hotel. Okay, he met me at the beachfront.
Yeah.
Ube nomkhumbi asiyange lodge. Wayenomkhumbi eqashe weqashe umkhumbi.
Umuntu onemali ngempela.
Like renting it umkhumbi ongathi uyi-flat engathi uyindlu nawo. It was like a room nje mfethu. Like a lodge.
Yeah.
Inside, yeah. He was there with his son. Ingane yakhe ina 10. But his son was always like on the bed nje mfethu ebusuku. Behleze le ingane. Ngasidlala kakhulu emini. Bathatha like they take themselves out too much nengane yakhe. So ebusuku isuke isilele yena uyayicruisela. So he met me emgaqweni, he told me that he will not go to the lodge, he won't park, we will go to the sea. Yayibona into leyo emtateni nomkhumbi wakhe nawo lapho sizoya kuyona. But khona ama securities and nabanye abantu nabo baseyindlini sabo nawo yayibona into leyo. So I told him that's okay, it's fine, we can go. I didn't care about securities and all that. They won't know what I have done if I come out. And we went in.
Yeah.
10 minutes I finished what I came here to do. But when it came to book that, I wasn't there. It means that I came to do business with him and go. Yeah. We went in, we did our thing. And he made a big mistake to tell me that we must relax and drink. Yeah, I mean, I wasn't there. I was already had my money. I was about to go. He told me that you still want to have fun with me. So why can't I sit down and let's enjoy our nights? I said, what? You say?
Can you say that's okay?
Can you please say that? Yeah, he told me that, please, Wendy, can you just have a seat here with me and let's enjoy our nights and have a drink. Whatever alcohol that you would like to drink, I'm telling you, and red wine, any type. Yeah, ngoba ngizosebenza